Good afternoon folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's safe, hope everybody's well. So yesterday was a beautiful summer day here in the UK. Sun was shining, birds were singing, and I decided to use this opportunity to give the UPVC cladding another good scrub. Today I'm using some chemicals. It's called TFR, Traffic Film Remover, and it's managed to take some more of the grime off the UPVC cladding. But anyway, as per usual, when I'm up there, I do try and help out the elderly neighbour on this side. So I always try and give the conservatory roof a really good old scrub because it does get covered in grime and what have you. Now the thing is, I can get to the first three panels, but I can't get to the far end panels. There's two at the end there, look. So what I decided to do on this occasion was to extend the brush to the maximum I could, and then using cable ties secure it to a long length of timber. So there's a nice little valve on here, you open and close it to let the water through, and as you can see, this is working an absolute treat. And despite the fact that it is a little bit cumbersome, it is a little bit heavy, the extra weight on the end of the brush does give it extra grip to enable you to give the grime a little bit more of a scrub, and just to help remove it. So I'm sorry about the shaky footage here, but as you can see, it's working a treat, and the end result was well worth the effort. So as I say, sometimes as a DIY you find yourself in situations where you've got to think outside the box. You may or may not have the relevant piece of equipment. You might need to do some modifications in order to get the best possible result, and this is a good example of something which I wanted to do. It's important to me to get this sorted out, especially while I had all my equipment out, and as you can see, it worked an absolute treat. Anyway, thank you once again for watching folks. You take care, have a good day where you are. Bye bye. Job's a good one.